Hi everyone, Thai-style roast chicken with rice stuffing is on the menu. This chicken is tender and bursting with flavors from the fresh herbs used. The skin is crispy too. The garlic rice stuffing absorbs flavors from the chicken, herbs and aromatics. Here are the ingredients for marinating the chicken. Feel free to increase the amount of herbs and aromatics if you like stronger flavors. Ingredients for rice stuffing will be shown in the later part of this video. Start off by marinating the chicken in advance, 8 hours at least for best result. Shave off tiny hair roots from coriander roots and chop up the roots with the leaves. Put into the mortar for pounding later. Remove the leaf stalks from the kaffir lime leaves. Chop up and place into the mortar. Crush and peel garlic. Remove the skin of the ginger. Chop into pieces and then add into the mortar. Cut and remove the hard bottom of the lemongrass. Remove the tough outer layers of the lemongrass stalks. Slice the lower light green parts of the lemongrass. This is where the flavors are coming from. Pound all herbs and aromatics into paste. Add light soya bean sauce. Then add fish sauce. End off with some black pepper powder and mix. Look at the amazing paste. Just smells so good. Wash your hands and loosen the chicken skin from the meat using fingers. Do not forget about the chicken drumstick or the wings. Turn over and loosen the skin as well. Handling the chicken wing is the hardest. Do not worry if you cannot go all the way or you tear the skin. Scoop the herb paste into the pocket created underneath the skin. This will ensure that the flavors are sealed nicely when marinating and roasting. Do the same for the drumsticks as well as the wings. Flip over. Do the same on the flip side. Continue until the paste runs out. Use oil-absorbent papers to dry the skin throughout. Dry the underside of the wings and drumsticks too. Place a rack in a dish big enough for the chicken. Flip over the chicken and pat dry the skin as well. Refrigerate the chicken with chicken breast facing upwards and uncovered. Let's prepare the rice stuffing when it's about time for roasting. A half cup of uncooked long grain rice yield about 1.5 cup of cooked rice. Peel and chop the garlic. Cut the light green parts of the spring onions. Set aside together with the garlic. Cut the rest of the spring onions and set aside separately for garnishing. Heat up sesame oil in a small saucepan. Add in garlic and spring onion mix. Stir and wait for the garlic to turn golden brown. Strain the oil from the crispy garlic. Use this oil for basting later. Stir in the crispy garlic into the rice. It is already smelling so good. Let the rice cool down. Remove the chicken from the fridge. The skin of the chicken is now taut and dry to touch. All the herbs and seasonings are now tightly sealed in. Preheat the oven for 15 minutes. While waiting, stuff the garlic rice into the chicken cavity. Place the chicken breast side up on a rack with a baking tray. Brush a layer of sesame oil prepared earlier all over the chicken. Into the oven it goes. Baste the chicken every 15 minutes if possible to keep the skin moist. Time's up! Look at the beautiful color after roasting. Scoop up the rice stuffing. Check that there is no watery blood or juices in the rice. This is to double check if the chicken is cooked properly. After 15 minutes of resting time, carve the meat and serve with rice and vegetables. Yummy! Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.